and welcome back to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download and install Thaumcraft in Minecraft 1.12.2. Now, I know 1.12.2 is not the most recent version, but Thaumcraft got so many requests for a tutorial that I had to do it, even though it's not updated to the most recent version of Minecraft. So here it is. Here's our tutorial for Thaumcraft in 1.12.2. But first, a message from our sponsor, which is GameServers. Go to the first link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/mcserver, to get an awesome 24-hour DDoS protected Minecraft server for just $1 per month. We personally use GameServers and absolutely love them. Again, go check them out. That is the first link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/mcservers. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and get Thaumcraft installed here. So the first thing you want to do is go to the second link down below, and it's going to take you here, which is the Thaumcraft basically information page. You're also going to be able to find the download here, but you can get all the information you need for Thaumcraft, including how to get started and all sorts of stuff. But the first thing we want to do is click on Files here, and that's going to take us to where we can see all of the previous files and versions of Thaumcraft, and we want to download the most recent version here for 1.12.2. However, if you're installing this for a different version, that's fine. You just will select that version over here instead of 1.12.2. But for us, we're selecting the most recent version for 1.12.2 here by clicking that little gray download button. Now, it's going to download here in the bottom left, and you're going to notice that it's going to ask you to keep the file. Is it safe? Is it safe to keep the file? Yes, it is. This has been downloaded by over 13,000 people, this specific version of Thaumcraft, and Thaumcraft itself has been downloaded by over 11 million people right there. See that? That is absolutely insane. So yeah, this is definitely down here in the bottom left, safe to keep. Just give me 1 second to let it download. There we go. It is now asking us if we want to keep this file, and we do want to keep it. Now we also need to download a dependency mod for Thaumcraft. Basically, Thaumcraft needs this mod to work, and that dependency mod is, Baubles? I don't know how to say this, but nevertheless, it is going to be the third link down below. It's going to take you over to here where you want to click on, again, Files, and we want to download the most recent version for 1.12.2, which is right here. Click on the little gray download button, and this one has been downloaded 4.7 million times, so I guarantee you it is safe to keep right there, because that many people wouldn't have downloaded it if it wasn't safe. So, safe there. Now, we still need to download one more thing, and that is Forge. If you go to the fourth link down below, it will take you here, which is our tutorial on installing Forge. However, all you want to do is click on the green download button here, which will take us off to the Minecraft Forge website, where we want to find the version of Forge that we want. Now, in our case, 1.12.2 is the most recent version, so it's automatically selected. However, if you want an older version, you can find it over here. But as we can see, MC 1.12.2 is what we're downloading for, and we just want to go under Download Latest here and click on the Installer button. Once we click that, it will take us out to Add Focus, where you don't want to click anything on this page. Click absolutely nothing on this page until you see a red skip button up here in the top right. It'll take about 6 seconds, and then a red skip button will appear in the top right. Click on that red skip button, and it will download Forge down here. We can keep this file. Probably over 100 million people have downloaded Forge, but at least millions upon millions of people have. Now, once that's done, we can minimize our browser, and on our desktop here, we have three things. We have Thaumcraft, we have Baubles, and we have Forge. If these aren't on your desktop, don't freak out. All we need to do is click on the Windows icon, which is in the top left for me, probably in the bottom left for you, and open up this, which is our Start menu. And all we want to do in our Start menu is type in Downloads, right? The word Downloads, exactly like that. And as you can see, File folder in Windows, the Downloads folder. Click on that, and we just want to drag all of these to our desktop just for ease of use. Once you've gotten everything on your desktop, go ahead and right-click on Forge, select Open with Java TM Platform SC Binary. Now, if you don't have Java TM Platform SC Binary, no worries. All you need to do is go to what I believe is the fifth link down below. I'm losing track at this point, but it's linked down below, and it's this, which is the Java JDK download, right? This is our tutorial on installing the Java JDK, telling you everything you need to know to make sure you get the right version and everything like that. So go ahead and just click on the yellow download button, follow the tutorial, and you'll be good to go. Now, if you still can't open with Java TM Platform SC Binary, you need to run this right here, which is the jar fix. And you can check this out, again, link down below. I think it's the sixth link down below. If you scroll down here, you want to download the jar fix by clicking this little blue link right here. Don't click the big blue download button, click the little blue link right there, and it will download the jar fix. Run that, and you should finally be able to open up Forge. Nevertheless, once you've got Forge open here, all you want to do is click on Install Client. client, and click OK. It will then automatically install Forge, and boom, successfully installed client profile Forge. Go ahead, click OK there. Now we need to focus on installing Thaumcraft and Baubles for it to work. I do not say that word well. Doing that is pretty simple. Again, you want to click in the top left, for me, bottom left of your screen on the Windows icon here, and it will open up again our start menu. This time though, we want to type in Run, R-U-N. You will then have a desktop app called Run. Click on that program and it will open up just like that. You only have like a little thing that says open here with like a search box next to it. In that search box, just type %appdata %appdata exactly like that, and go ahead and click OK. It'll then open up our roaming folder here where we want to go into our .minecraft folder. Now in here you should have a folder called mods. If you don't freak out. It's very, very simple to fix that. Just right click, create a new folder, and title it mods, M-O-D-S, all lowercase, exactly like that. And now open up your newly created mods folder, or the one that you had originally, doesn't matter. Open up your mods folder. Into your mods folder, just drag and drop Thaumcraft and Baubles into it. I cannot say that word. Drag those in there, and now we want to go ahead and open up our Minecraft launcher. Now, once you're in your Minecraft launcher here, you should have a little green arrow next to your play button. Go ahead, click on that, and you'll probably have this, a profile titled Forge. If you don't, no worries. Click on the 3 lines up here in the top right. It will open up this, then go to Launch Options, and then add a new profile here. Right click that, and then I'm just going to title this play.breakdowncraft.com. Why would I title it that? Oh, that's because that is our server for Minecraft 1.13 plus. It's an awesome server. It's got survival on it right now. We're expanding to kit PvP, factions, all sorts of stuff as voted by the community in the near future. So go play on that if you're looking for an awesome 1.13 server. Nevertheless, once we're in here, we want to select the Forge version right next to where it says version, right? So click this, it'll open up this big drop down menu, scroll to the very, very bottom, and you will see release 1.12.2-Forge. If you've got multiple of these, just select the one with the highest number at the end. For example, if we had one that was 2750 and this one was 2758, we would click this one because it's the highest number at the end. Click that, and then you can click save. I gotta change my resolution real quick though. You don't have to change your resolution unless you want to. I just need to so you guys can see once we start getting in the game. Once you click save there, go ahead and click on the News tab, and then next to the play button, click on the little green arrow again. This time you want to select the profile you created, in my case, play.breakdowncraft.com, and we can see that is in fact for 1.12.2-Forge. Click on that, click play. Now it'll go ahead and open up Minecraft 1.12.2 with Thaumcraft installed, as well as its dependency mod, Baubles. Who knows? But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get on into game here, where I'm going to show you that Thaumcraft is in fact installed. This is such an in-depth mod, guys, that doing an entire showcase of it would take, it would be a 2-hour-long video, so I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to be getting into the game here and showing you it does work. If we click on mods, we will have Baubles and Thaumcraft installed. Go ahead and click on single player here. These are all newer worlds. I don't want to back convert them, so I'm just going to go ahead and create a new world real quick to showcase Thaumcraft. However, I'm not going to really be able to do that because I forgot to make it to where I could go into creative. So that's kind of a fail. But nevertheless, once this world is opened up, I will see you guys. And just like that, the world is open. And again, we can't do anything. Let's go ahead and use a little trick here. We're going to open this to LAN and allow cheats here. That way when I start the LAN world, I can just do /game mode creative. Boom, and now we can go in here, click the little arrow over, and here's everything that Thaumcraft adds to the game. As you can see, very big mod, very extensive. That's why it would take me so long to do a true, really high quality and good showcase on this mod. But yeah, nevertheless, that's kind of weird. These like glitch out of the screen. Huh, that's pretty cool. Nevertheless, that is how you can get Thaumcraft. Enjoy it, guys. If you've got any questions, post them in the comment section down below. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more awesome content exactly like this nearly every single day of the week. We make tons of awesome Minecraft content, so you won't regret liking and subscribing. Anyway, guys, my name is Nick. This has been The Breakdown, and I'm out, guys. Peace.